$80 double two-person tree stand with a full blind enclosure, all for $80. Realtree Pro Series has this primal grip jaw. I'll go over this real quick. We're gonna unbox, we're gonna put together. I'm not gonna do step by step. You can read the manual for that if you have it. I'll go through real quick like what I did as I do it. So don't skip over this video. It's gonna be interesting. We're gonna hang this stand today and we're gonna set it up and give a quick review on it. So this is the Double Trouble Primal Grip. This is a pretty cool system. This thing is appears to be really well built. It's got the Realtree name on it. Comes with this enclosure that doesn't need to be on it. You can actually, I believe, install this on other tree stands as well, the enclosure. We're talking 73.1 pounds for the stand itself. The blind weighs 13.2 pounds. Weight capacity 500 pounds. And I think it's 20-inch ladder. Yeah, ladder width, 20-inch. Comes with these cargo bags, mesh seats, foot platforms, nice size, huge seat, obviously, 2 people, and flip-up shooting rail. That's real nice too. So let's get to this. Right closer to 90 pounds of the box and packing materials here. You do not want to carry this in the woods. Wicked. Carry this in the woods all by itself. You're going to want to, I mean, you could get this in the woods, I suppose, drag it in on a jet sled or something, but I wouldn't want to carry it whole. Let's see the best way to do this. Damp that sat outside. It was delivered by FedEx yesterday. Okay. We got it. Right there. There we go. Comes with a harness, safety harness. There's the seats. Everything's there. Railings, instructions, strapping. So I'm going to get to this and I'll check back in a bit. Okay, coming along. So basically what we have so far is I attach these side rails to the seat unit, back pieces, and the floor piece, and we'll just keep on going, but she's coming along. Only issue so far, and it's not really a big issue, more of like a quality of product thing, and it doesn't affect safety or anything. This handrail, the foam, it's nice now, because I used what I had. I had a piece of this pipe insulation laying around. This is the stuff they sent me. It's not even, look at it, it's like paper thin in some spots, thick in others. It was all flat, and I mean, come on, that's junk. We have it all together, other than putting the rest of the ladder on, which are some spring clips, simple stuff. Of course, I can't assemble the enclosure until it's up in the tree. It is ready to take to the tree. I have a stand currently, a small stand in the tree where I want to put this permanently. So I'm going to load this stuff up on the trailer, pick up my tools, the small things, throw them in the back of the Jeep, and I'm going to head out to my location, pull my other stand down, and then I'll come back to you guys when it's time to put this baby up in the tree, and we'll see how she goes, and then we'll work on the enclosure. Okay, here we are at my undisclosed hunting location. This thing's pretty cool. This I've never seen these before. I don't know if there's any other makers making them like this. Basically, when this goes up in the tree, this ratchet's pulling these around the tree so it's secure until you can get up there and put the good ratchet on, and this is a backup. So that's pretty cool how it hugs the tree. We're gonna give that a shot. And I'm gonna put it up in this tree right here behind me. I just pulled off another stand that got it set in there, and I'm gonna move that back in the woods further for another location later in the year. I'll use rifle season. So Instructions say 3 people to get this up in a tree. I'm 3 people today. So let's see how it goes, and we'll get her up there. Okay, I don't know if you can see it or not, but I found an old tire that's been left behind here, and I'm using that with a rock for a little added weight at the bottom by person number 1. So I'm person 2 and 3 now. Let's see if number 1 over there pulls up his end of the bargain. The tricky part is getting past this here. Jam it in the ground and walk it. But you get the flex on it. Pick up. Let's see. Come on, number 1. Whew. It's up there, it ain't gonna fall. Put that extra strap on it. I love it. Up here. We got the last ratchet strap up here. Run around the tree. This is the one that is gonna close in. You ain't going nowhere. You won't lean on that. Okay, yeah, alright. Let's see how it fits now. The roof's a little bit crooked and needs some adjusting, but there it is. We're up inside here. I'm gonna be honest. The enclosure's kind of cool. I think for gun season, maybe. Especially if it's cold, you can button up in here and get out of the wind a little bit. But bow season, I don't think I'm gonna like it. I stood up, I don't have my bow with me, but I was practicing, you know, like I was holding a bow, and it's a little too tight. I mean, you could lean out the windows, but then that's more movement, you know. I prefer to just stand up and take a shot. So I'm gonna drop this. It's still bow season. I'm gonna drop this cover off. I'm gonna try to keep it all in one piece with the frame and lower it down, and I'm just gonna use it with the shooting rest and these little bags that hang on the shooting rest. I'll leave on the pad here, and I'll use it like that. And before you million comments in the bottom, wear your safety harness. You should have been wearing the harness. I know there's 2 harnesses included in this, but I climbed trees my whole life, and I know it only takes 1 time, but I think the harness would be in my way trying to put that top up. It's probably a 2-person job, definitely. 1 person to hold it, 1 person to strap it. So be careful if you do get this blind and you're trying to do it by yourself like I did. It was a little sketchy getting up against a tree. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think of this stand. I like it. The enclosure, it's not really my thing. I hunt to be outside. This is kind of like you're in a box, you know. If I want to build a deer blind, then I'll go in a deer blind, but I'm in a tree, man. So good luck out there this year.